1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Sir Alan!
Masama na. Go.
Happy birthday, Sir Alan!
Loving can hurt,
You're the best advice. Happy birthday, sir!
loving can hurt,
Happy birthday, Sir Alan!
but it's the only
Birthday to Mama.
that I
Happy birthday, Sir Alan!
when it gets hard.
Happy birthday, Sir Alan!
It is the only thing that makes us
Birthday, sir.
Ulit?
Sana po mataas grade namin. Yes! Happy birthday po, Sir Alan. Ba't naman lapit? Happy birthday po. Happy birthday, Sir Alan. God bless you po. Mahal na mahal po namin. Thank you po sa ice cream lang. Ice cream lang. Ice cream lang. Happy birthday, Sir Alan. God bless. More birthday to come. Happy birthday, Sir Alan. Happy birthday, Sir Alan. God bless you. God bless you po.
loving can heal.
Birthday, Sir Alan. Wishing you good health po and sana po matupad yung mga wishes.
Happy birthday po, Sir Alan. Sana po maging maganda pa po yung mga araw ninyo at salamat po lagi sa pagtulong niyo sa amin. Again, happy birthday po, Sir.
That put every piece in and it's the only thing with us when we die. Keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves. Where our eyes never closing, hearts were never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your
Sinabi kong pumadyak, papadyak lang kayo, pakilala padyak, okay? Palakpak! Padyak! Palakpak! Padyak! Padyak!
You hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only once inside these pages, you just hold me. I won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home. 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 Oh, you can fit me inside the necklace you got when you were 16. Next to the heartbeat that I should be. Keep it deep within your soul. And if you hurt me, well that's okay, baby. Only once, bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. When I'm away, I will remember how you kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper through the phone. Wait for me to come home.